A wonderful warm welcoming you all. Our project is based on gesture control using Arduino and Python. Our team members are Naveen, Nitish Kumar, Sanjay Kumar and myself Mohan. In the COVID pandemic times, we look forward to face the toughest condition and hard situation. This is due to the spreading of virus. This virus causes the high death rate and affects our normal economic growth. This spreading of disease is mainly due to the physical contact. The physical contact may occur in such places like hospital, industries, multinational companies, and malls. In such places, people mostly use elevator to move from one floor to the another floor. The working principle of this elevator is based on the button system. This comes under the physical contact, which may increase the high risk of spreading of viruses. We can't provide the solution for this virus, but we can provide the control measurement for the spreading of virus. Our idea is to control the elevator using gesture without making any physical contact. Here, gesture indicates our action. Components required are Arduino Nano OLED display module, gesture sensor, breadboard and jumped wires. Gesture sensor is used to sense our action. Arduino Nano is the smallest version of Arduino UNO. Here we use Arduino Nano because it is more compatible than UNO. OLED display module will display the output result, jumped wires and breadboard. By implementing the source code in the Arduino Nano, we perform our actions. Here is our project demo. This is gesture sensor, this is OLED display, this is Arduino Nano. And the connections are made perfectly with the breadboard. Here is our project demo of moving elevator. In normal elevator, we use to touch the button for our desired floor. Here we are going to use the actions of hand. For example, I would like to move to the 4th floor. I'm in the ground floor. First, I want to select the 4th floor so that I will swipe my hand from up to down for 4 times. Now the selection is made. For the movement of elevator, I want to swipe my hand from left to right in front of the sensor. My actions are being recorded by the sensor and the output is displayed in the OLED display. Now I wish to go to the ground floor. The same procedure is repeated. I want to swipe my hand from down to up. On the movement of elevator, I want to swipe my hand from left to right. By saying this, I am concluding my video. Thank you.